Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix fast charging not working on Realme. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix the fast charging feature here on your Realme if it's not working. So there are a few things that you may want to basically check here. So first things first is you want to check anything hardware here. So you want to go ahead and make sure that your charger is not broken. So to be speaking, if you've been using your charger for a year now, it may have it may actually experience some issues, especially with the actual wire. Now, in this case, you want to check your wire here or charging cable, and you want to make sure that there's no bites or any tear in it. So especially around this area here, it might get loose here. So sometimes if you're moving around, it might hear very small spark. So if you do hear that, it means that it's broken. But to be speaking, if you just bought this new, or if you have a spare one, you may want to try using your spare one first and see if that actually works. Because to be speaking, the cable is most likely the problem here. But if you're sure, like for example, if you use your charging cable and your charger to another phone, it's working and the advanced features are working, it means that you need to check your phone. Now, your phone typically has a charging port in here. You want to make sure that it's actually clean in the charging port. So in this case, you want to look underneath your phone, look at the charging port, and see if there are any debris stuck in there. Now, you could use a small pen here to remove any dirt or dust that may have accumulated inside of it. But before doing that, make sure your phone is turned off. And also be careful not to break anything in here. So you might see a very small uh like a knob in there that actually connects it to your charger, so don't remove that. Just be careful when doing this. But yeah, so another thing that you may want to do is you may want to test the software here. So in this case, you may want to turn off and turn on the fast charging feature and see if that actually helps, and also make sure your OS is fully updated. And that's about it. Now, if this or none of this actually works for you, now it's best to contact Realme support, because typically this might be a hardware thing here. Either your phone is the one causing the problem here, especially if you try other chargers out there, and in this case, it's still not working. Again, it's a hardware thing. You may need to have a professional or a technician check this out. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe button after inspo. Thank you for watching.